Welcome back to Alpay. Bitcoin is trading between $80,000 and $95,000, but signs suggest a potential market shift ahead. While Bitcoin continues to lead, analysts are watching for a possible altcoin season in early 2026 as liquidity improves. In this video, we'll break down 3 high-conviction altcoins, covering price action, performance, upside potential, and key risks. Before we begin, please note that the information shared is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Now, let's dive into Alpay's top 3 picks for 2026. Starting with the third-ranked asset in the Alpay 2026 investment theme, Binance Coin, BNB, identified by Alpay as the exchange ecosystem powerhouse. BNB is currently trading around $839 to $840, showing strong resilience after reaching highs near $1,370 earlier this year. Its performance continues to be supported by the rapid expansion of Binance's vast ecosystem. Let's explore why BNB claims the bronze spot in Alpay's 2026 investment thesis, with strong upside potential. BNB Chain was selected primarily for its practical utility, as BNB plays a central role in fee discounts, staking, launchpad access, and more. Secondly, BNB benefits from being backed by the world's largest exchange, as rising trading volumes in bull markets naturally increase demand. Another reason is BNB's strong ecosystem, as BNB Chain continues to expand across fast-growing areas like AI, DePIN, and DeFi. BNB has a proven track record, historically delivering strong gains during peak altcoin cycles. The final reason for selecting BNB is Binance's global dominance and massive user base, which position BNB to capture significant upside as market activity accelerates. Like any cryptocurrency, BNB is not risk-free. Alpay's team has identified 3 key risks that investors and traders should consider before investing or trading. The first risk factor for BNB is its heavy reliance on Binance, meaning regulatory actions or legal developments could lead to increased volatility. The second risk factor for BNB is the potential for periods of underperformance compared to the broader market. Another key risk for BNB involves platform-related concerns. Although the recent US government pardon is a positive sign, past issues could resurface, and any renewed challenges could significantly impact the BNB chain. Now let's take a look at XRP, ranked second in Alpay's 2026 investment thesis, recognized for its leadership in cross-border payments and its impact on global financial infrastructure. XRP is currently trading around $1.87, experiencing some Q4 pressure after solid gains earlier in the year. While 2025 delivered mixed price performance, major legal clarity and expanding global partnerships significantly strengthened XRP's long-term outlook, even as the year trends flat to slightly negative. Why XRP earns the silver position and could lead the next major rally? The primary reason for selecting XRP is its real-world utility, enabling fast, low-cost cross-border payments and global remittances at scale. The second key reason for selecting XRP is its recent regulatory breakthroughs, where major legal victories have reduced uncertainty and paved the way for broader institutional and enterprise adoption. XRP also benefits from rising demand tied to the RWA narrative, with strategic positioning and increasing institutional engagement in real-world asset tokenization. XRP is included in Alpay's 2026 investment list due to its proven resilience, with a history of strong performance during rotations from Bitcoin into large-cap altcoins. Alpay's research team believes that as blockchain adoption accelerates across global finance, XRP stands out as a clear leader and is well-positioned to attract significant capital inflows. XRP is also not risk-free. Alpay's team has identified 3 key risks that investors and traders should consider before investing or trading. XRP's main risk is centralization. This means that Ripple still has a strong influence over the XRP ecosystem, including development and large token holdings. Because of this, some investors worry that decisions affecting XRP may not be as decentralized as other cryptocurrencies, which could impact trust and market perception. The second risk is periodic price underperformance, including weakness in late 2025 despite positive developments, which could lead to short-term selling pressure. The third risk is continued downside potential. A break below key support levels around $1.80 to $1.85 could trigger a pullback toward the $1.30 to $1.80 range. If you're enjoying the content, like the video and subscribe to Alpay, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the latest crypto and blockchain updates. Now, let's take a closer look at Alpay's highest-ranked crypto pick for 2026. Solana, SOL, takes the number 1 position on the Alpay investment list for 2026. Alpay believes that if BNB is the exchange ecosystem powerhouse, then Solana is the high-speed blockchain powerhouse, built for scale and real-world usage. SOL is currently trading around $123 to $125, well below its January 2025 all-time high of $294 to $295. While 2025 was a difficult year, with a drawdown of over 50% from peak, the Solana ecosystem continues to grow rapidly across gaming, DeFi, and real-world applications. Here's why SOL stands as Alpay's top-ranked pick for 2026. Solana earns the top rank thanks to its lightning-fast speeds and ultra-low fees, making it well-suited for mass adoption across high-throughput sectors like AI and DePIN. The second reason for selecting Solana as the number 1 investment pick is its rapidly expanding developer ecosystem, with over 17,700 active developers and more than 11,500 new developers added in 2025, a strong indicator of growing ecosystem momentum and powerful network effects. Another reason Solana ranks as Alpay's number 1 investment pick is its rising institutional interest. In 2025, Solana-focused ETFs have drawn substantial inflows, with over $340 million plus flowing into products like Bitwise BSOL and Grayscale's GSOLs, showing strong demand from professional investors. This growing capital allocation reflects increasing confidence in Solana as a scalable alternative to Ethereum. Another reason for selecting Solana is its strong historical performance during altcoin cycles. In previous Altseasons, SOL has delivered exceptional returns, rising as much as 1,000% to 1,900% against Bitcoin following key market breakout signals in 2021 and 2023, showing how high beta Layer 1 assets like Solana can outperform when liquidity rotates out of Bitcoin. If Altseason arrives in early 2026, Solana's ability to support real usage at scale could propel it to new highs. Like any cryptocurrency, Solana carries risk. Alpay's team has highlighted 3 key risks that investors and traders should carefully consider before investing or trading. The first risk is Solana's past network reliability issues. On February 6, 2024, Solana experienced a major outage when the network stopped producing blocks for about 5 hours due to a surge in transaction load that overwhelmed validators. Since then, the network has remained stable for over a year, but past reliability issues remain a consideration for investors. The second risk is Solana's high volatility. In 2025, SOL's price has swung dramatically, falling as much as 58% from its January high of $294 amid broader market sell-offs and macro pressure, including Bitcoin's downturn and leveraged liquidations. These sharp moves highlight how quickly Solana can decline when risk appetite weakens, and they may increase short-term selling pressure. Another key risk is centralization and ecosystem vulnerabilities. Solana's validator distribution remains relatively concentrated, with the top 10 validators controlling over 30% of stake, which raises concerns about network decentralization. Additionally, the fast-growing ecosystem has seen periodic rug pulls and scam projects, highlighting risks that can impact investor confidence and token prices. While stability has improved significantly, Solana remains a high beta, high reward investment. Thank you for watching Alpay's top 3 investment themes for 2026. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Wishing you a happy and profitable 2026. See you next week.